Hello guys, so I just want to show you guys 2018 540. So the battery location. So you open the trunk and then you have this cover that you need to take off. So this is actually very hard to take off. I actually have a trick. So if you come here, you grab your oil refill can. There's some, you can try it to lift it up a bit. And then once you lift it up, you can get enough space go under like this. See? Then you can lift the cover out. So once you lift up the cover, so you have a 10 mil here and a 10 mil there. This guy, actually you can just unclip it like this. You can leave it connected, put it on the side, undo the 10. This one you push it open, undo the 10. And undo the vent hose, and there's a 13 right there. After you take it off, zip it on. Positive first, push this in. 2 little taps, clip onto the panel right there, and zip it on. And 2 10 mil right here. Make sure it's tight, make sure it's secure. And yeah, that's it. Very nice and easy. Hi guys, so actually a little update. This is the part number for the battery right here, 900cca, and I believe this will be the part number right here. So as for the battery, the one I got was this one, 49 AGM. So that would be the battery.